Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pool slide is probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your backyard oasis, transforming ordinary pool days into extraordinary aquatic adventures for the entire family, offering endless hours of splashing fun and creating unforgettable summer memories right in your own home, making it an investment in pure joy and active entertainment that will be cherished for years to come. Number 5. Intex Dinoland Play Center Kiddie Pool. Transform your backyard into an exciting mini water park. Slide and splash into the waiting pool or enjoy fun games. No filter is required, so you can just fill it up and let the outdoor play begin. It also includes a drain plug for easy cleanup. It features a soft pool slide with a landing pad for extra delight. A movable water sprayer adds an extra layer of coolness while splashing. It includes built-in games like Dino, hoops and a volcanic ball roller. These offer hours of refreshing fun and creativity for your little ones. With dimensions of 131L x 90W x 44H and a 74-gallon capacity, it's perfect for children to play and cool off. Enjoy their outdoor playhouse during hot summer days. What we like. If you're looking for a way to keep multiple kids entertained with imaginative play, this is a fantastic choice. It offers a unique dinosaur theme with built-in games like Dino hoops and a volcanic ball roller, providing hours of creative fun. The movable Dino arch water sprayer adds an extra layer of excitement, making it perfect for families who want a water play experience that goes beyond just sliding. What people say. The slide actually does work quite well. I didn't expect it to. I figured the kids would just climb and roll around on it and stuff, but it actually does work. The quality is amazing considering how many kids of different sizes have played in it and no holes yet. The bright colors, fun animal characters, and interactive features like the water slide and splash pad are just perfect for keeping little ones engaged and happy for hours. Number 4. Intex 57453 EP Multicolor Rainbow Slide Inflatable Pool. Transform your backyard into a world of adventure with this vibrant rainbow play center. Ignite your child's imagination while they stay cool and have fun. It features a wading pool, a main pool, and a thrilling water slide. Plus, enjoy a water sprayer, ring toss, ball roller, and ball toss games for hours of entertainment. Get the fun started in minutes. Simply inflate it, attach a garden hose to the built-in sprayer, and let the summer adventures begin. This colorful outdoor play center is perfect for children ages 2 and up. It's designed for easy draining with a convenient plug. We design and test all our products to the highest safety standards. Enjoy affordable, innovative, and durable fun for your family. What we like. For parents seeking a vibrant and engaging water play experience for younger children, this inflatable is ideal. Its cheerful rainbow design sparks imagination, and it comes packed with fun elements like a water sprayer, ring toss, and ball games. The quick and easy setup means less time preparing and more time for the kids to splash and slide, making it perfect for spontaneous summer fun. What people say. The slide actually does work quite well. I didn't expect it to. I figured the kids would just climb and roll around on it and stuff, but it actually does work. The quality is amazing considering how many kids of different sizes have played in it and no holes yet. The bright colors, fun animal characters, and interactive features like the water slide and splash pad are just perfect for keeping little ones engaged and happy for hours. Number 3. Intex 58484 EP Swim Center Family Pool. Get ready for instant water fun. Simply spread it out, inflate the chambers, and fill it with water. It's that easy to start enjoying your summer. This spacious pool measures 10 by 6 feet with a 22-inch depth. It holds up to 277 gallons, offering the ideal space to cool off and have a blast. Constructed with durable 12-gauge vinyl walls, it's designed to withstand all your summer activities. A repair patch is included for any unexpected issues. Setting up and taking down is a breeze thanks to the 3 air chambers with combo valves for quick inflation and deflation. The convenient drain plug makes emptying simple. For over 50 years, we've been committed to the highest safety and quality standards. Enjoy affordable, innovative products built to create lasting summer memories. What we like. If you need a straightforward and spacious pool for the whole family to cool off in, this is a great option. Its generous size and durable construction mean everyone can enjoy a refreshing dip without any complicated features. The simple, no-fuss design with easy inflation and deflation makes it perfect for those who want a reliable and easy-to-manage pool for everyday summer enjoyment. What people say. There's enough room for both of us to stretch out, have our head on one side and our feet the other. There's also enough room for us to inflate a chair float, if we want to use that. My 88-pound bulldog swimming in our pool. She jumped in and out of that pool at least 15 times, and still no damage. She didn't cause any damage whatsoever to the pool. It is quite big, perfect for my 3 young children to jump around in, and it would easily fit 4 adults as a lounge pool. The sides are quite strong when inflated, so it does not need water volume to remain in shape. Number 2. Intex Kool Splash Inflatable Water Slide Pool. Get ready for endless summer fun with this inflatable water slide. It's the perfect way to make a splash, whether you're at the pool or the lake. Designed for ages 6 and up, it brings excitement for everyone. Crafted from super strong vinyl with reinforced seams, this slide is built for durability. It can handle up to 176 pounds, ensuring it lasts all summer long. Featuring 5 air chambers for enhanced safety, this slide also keeps the fun going. Connect a garden hose to the built-in sprayers to keep the surface wet and slippery. Climbing to the top is easy with the built-in handles and climbing holes. Once you reach the top, the soft landing pad and stepping mat provide extra comfort and safety. This versatile slide is designed to fit most in-ground and above-ground pools. Its generous size ensures it's a great addition to your existing pool setup. We've even included a repair patch kit, so you can easily fix any small punctures. This ensures your fun continues without interruption. What we like. This is the perfect choice for families with slightly older children or those who enjoy a more adventurous slide experience. Designed for ages 6 and up, it features heavy-duty construction for durability and added safety. The built-in climbing holes and handles make ascending easy and fun, while the integrated sprayers ensure a consistently wet and thrilling ride down. What people say. There are 5 places the slide is blown up, 3 large pieces, 2 blue and 1 white, and 2 smaller pieces that can be quickly blown up by mouth. It maybe took 15 to 20 minutes to blow up all together. There is an inflated platform that sits on the water so younger kids can stop at the bottom. The water feature of the slide helps the kids slide down faster. There are 4 holes in the back of the slide to help the kids climb up. The material from which it is made is thick and durable and does not seem to wear out in the elements. Number 1. Outsunny 5-in-1 Inflatable Water Slide Bounce House. Get ready for the ultimate backyard adventure with this amazing inflatable water park. It's packed with activities to keep the kids entertained for hours. Designed with safety in mind, it features a protective net and durable, tear-resistant fabric. You can relax knowing they're playing in a secure environment. With a trampoline, water slide, pool, climbing wall, and water cannons, there's something for everyone. It's perfect for up to 5 children to enjoy together. Setting up is a breeze thanks to the included high-pressure air blower. It inflates in minutes, so the fun can start right away. This complete kit includes everything you need, from water pipes to repair patches and stakes. It even comes with a carry bag for easy storage. It's more than just a toy, it's a party creator. Give your children a fun way to stay active and create lasting memories this summer. What we like. If you're looking for the ultimate backyard entertainment center that offers a variety of activities, this 5-in-1 inflatable is unbeatable. It combines a water slide, pool, climbing wall, trampoline, and water cannons, ensuring endless excitement for multiple children. This is ideal for parties or for families who want a dynamic and feature-rich play area that provides both active play and water fun. What people say. The kids have a lot of fun playing with the water guns, and I love how the water sprays down the slide, making it super fast. It has 2 slides, one for bigger kids and one for smaller kids. Easy to set up, looks exactly like picture. No leaking, functions exactly as it should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.